Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be teaching you and showing you how to make your own avatar like the one that's showing up in my screen already. First, you'll have to go to this video button and then be careful not to click this video button, the square one, but this one, the arrow. And then you'll have to click adjust background and effects, or you can press choose avatar. I'll put just background and effects. And then you can create your own avatar, the plus button. This is the default. You can make it your own design. I'm just gonna make it like my design. You can like make it your own. You don't have to copy me unless you want to. And then this is which is here. Yeah, this one will work. And then eye color. Skip eyelashes. I actually don't kind of need that. And then eyelash glue. Okay, moving on to eyebrows. You can make it this. This one fits just right. Eyebrow color. I think it's supposed to be brown. Yes, I think that. And then nose. I don't think I have to like change that. Now I don't have to change that either. I think. Yeah, and facial hair color, body. Yeah, I can change this one. This is default. You can pick it if you want, but this is what I'm picking. And then clothing. I think I'll go for this one. Waiting for it to load. Okay, head cover. Which one? I don't see. I'm just gonna show you how to like put this here. I don't actually need to put any head covering, but I'll just like I can change my glasses. Yeah, this one looks fine. Anyway, press apply and then you can like turn it on. Okay, this is it for today. You can remove your video, but it'll still like be part, you know. Anyway, time to stop recording. You can just replay this if you don't understand what I'm saying. Anyway, you can like put a different video if you want, or don't forget to subscribe. Bye.